This is the class activity, What is Science? So the purpose of this activity is to explore a metaphor for science. So you can see on the references, there is a video, that will help you complete this assignment. So the sequence of numbers, right? Let's just look at that first one. Look at the following sequence of 3 numbers. Based on that information, place what you think the next 3 numbers will be in the sequence. So notice that these boxes are red. Well, if you get these 3 correct, if you guess the next 3 numbers in the sequence, then it will turn green. So I'll just put like 0, 0, 0. Right? So those are not the next 3 numbers. Now, let's look at question number 2. In your own words, describe the rule that the sequence of numbers follows. So there is a specific rule that this sequence follows, and you have to get that. Now, I give you a little hint here. You may have gotten the sequence of numbers correct, but that might not be enough information to determine the rule. Go back to the number sequence and try to break the rule. So that's going to be the key to getting this, right? And then the conclusion questions, it's just, in your own words, explain the process you use for determining the rule of the sequence of numbers. In your own words, explain how finding an unknown rule for a sequence of numbers is a metaphor for science. So on these, any of these that are free response, there are 3 criteria that have to be met. A word count, I believe it's something low like 10. There are buzzwords that you have to that like there's like 10 or 15 buzzwords, and you have to get like 2 or 3 of them. And then sometimes there are specific words. So if I ask you what the rule for the sequence of number is, well, in that response you should have the word rule in it. So that's how you can get these answers correct. And there is a little extra credit. This one is just watch the video, watch this video, answer these questions, and in your own words, summarize the video, then explain something you learned from the video. And on these, you have to get them all correct in order for it to count. It just makes the extra credit a little bit harder. So once again, this is the class activity, What is Science?